Alright guys, first YouTube video didn't go so well today. About 5:30 in this morning on the way here to Spinney Mt Reservoir. Unfortunately we hit an elk. It did some damage to the truck. We'll see how that works out, see if we can even make it back. Big shout out to the Chaparral store for letting us have some tools so we couldn't even make it drivable. We got it to there but couldn't take right turns, so we had to take the sway bar strut off, but it's still kind of hanging there. We're going to try and tie it up so we can make it home. As far as fish go, we got, I don't know, 8 or 10 little guys, a whole bunch of stalkers, 12-15 inches. We did tie into one brown, which was pretty nice, about 19 inches. We broke one reel, the bail broke clean off, lost 4 or 5 lures. You know, pretty typical good day of fishing. Anyway, we'll see if this works out, and hopefully you enjoy the video. Alright, first fish on, guys. Let's see what we got here. Oh, you got one over there. Double. That red one. Pick it up. We got a double right off the bat. After a bad start to the morning.
That's a little guy.
This one's probably not too much bigger.
Oh well, a little better than nothing.
Little guy right off the bat. My wife's got a little guy. I got a little guy.
I got a tiny guy.
Nice little one. Get him off.
Okay.
Oh, there he goes.
What do you think, Otis?
And there he goes. That's a little guy. Another little guy. Nope, no net needed. Hey, easy guy, easy, easy, easy. Alright, Shelly's got one here. Looks like a little guy.
Little bitty.
I'm catching all the dinks today.
Something took a chunk out of him, though.
All right, grab it. Put this one down, grab that one. We got another one on. Oh. So a double.
That's still tiny, baby.
Another little guy, I'm sure. Yep.
It's smaller than the last one.
No, but the red works, obviously.
Yeah, but it's the lure.
Okay, good. So lower it down so we can get it off. You rolled it in a mile. Here, hold that.
I can't even see what you're doing.
All right.
That's bait.
Alright, we got another little guy. Little guys. We got the little guys down today.
Little bitty guys.
Little bitty guys. Easy, easy, easy. Where are we going here? Alright, he's got another one. Bigger one? No? I guess that's why that's not doing anything.
Hello, baby. He ain't even biting, he's so small. Watch out, Otis. Oh! Did he break the line?
I think he did. Watch out, Otis. So much for that flicker shad. Okay. Oh, come on, Otis. That's alright.
Otis, stop.
We got another one. Looks like another little baby. Today's the day of the babies. Lots of dinks. Okay, so swing her from right there.
What?
Swing it in from right there. There you go. Ooh. Huh?
Still an infant.
Oh, there we go. Much easier when we do that. Alright, got some line out. Steer the boat a little bit. What do you got there, Otis? Huh? What do you got? You had it in your hand. You were steering, so put it. There it is. But you're fine. You keep going that way. The life of a fishing dog. Are you a fishing dog, Otis? Are you a fishing dog? I think that's the life of a fishing dog right there. That one seems to be a little bit bigger, maybe. That one's pulling drag. Hang on. There's one boat. That's only 6 pounds, so don't horse it. There we go. There's the fish we've been looking for. No, what are you doing, Otis, huh?
They seem to like those flicker shads this year.
They do. Watch out, buddy. Big old brown.
Big old brownie.
Big old brownie.
Got it.
Easy. Easy. There we go. Alright, so there's our dent in the front. There's our little strap up of the strut to hopefully make it home and make sure everything else is going to work. And yes, I would say whoever said a bad day of fishing is better than a good day at work, I still agree, even with the adventure we're on right now. You gotta love adventures, right? See you on the next one.